Again, I make you think about this. Where did the provisions of the Sharia, the commandments, the prohibitions, the halal, the haram reach us? Through the Quran and hadiths. They either said verses or they said hadiths or sharifs. Just as what is written in the verses expresses judgment on halal and haram, what does the provisions in the hadith or sharifs mean to us? It expresses certain knowledge and judgment. For example, wearing a gold ring is haram for men. You cannot find this in the verse, in the Quran. You will find it in Hadith Sharif. Wearing silk is haram for men. You will not find this in the Quran. You will find it in Hadith Sharifs. You will not find in the Quran that the fard of the noon prayer is 4 rak'ahs. Nor will you find in the Quran that the noon prayer is to be recited secretly. Nor will you find in the Quran that the Fajr prayer is to be recited openly. Nor will you find in the Quran what to recite in ruku or prostration. When the hadiths are ignored, the Quran is also ignored and Islam is completely rejected. Therefore, never be tolerant of those who deny the hadiths sharifs. Those who say that the Quran is enough for us are the ones who aim to drive people out of religion. Because when they are alone with the Quran, they will interpret the Quran in the way they want. At the time when they will eliminate the commentaries and explanations of the hadiths, they will say that it is enough to pray in the prayer, raise your hand twice and say, "Oh Rabb," in the morning and evening. Stand up, do ruku, do prostration. Where did you come up with this? This is what they say today. There are already pilgrims and hajis who see no problem in reducing the 5 times to 3 and passing the 3 times with prayers.